When Teresa Caldino's husband Jacob left for Saudi Arabia in 2004, the couple's plan was simple: save enough money to start a business here in 10 years. So Jacob should be home by now, but just months before his 10th year working in Saudi Ojur, the company stopped paying his salary. Jacob is a landscaper in the Saudi construction firm, which has almost 9,000 Filipino workers. Most of its employees have not been paid for up to 9 months. They have expired residence permits. Many of the employees have already resigned, but can't get an exit clearance, which only the company can provide. They are also demanding their end-of-service benefits, which include a plane ticket home. Jacob doesn't want to leave until he gets what's due him. To get by, he does odd jobs.
Kahit anong mapasukan doon na parang part-time o sandaling oras para lang makatulong din.
The Caldinos rely solely on Jacob's income. Their 10 years' worth of savings is fast running out. Jacob, meanwhile, still shows up for work so he can get internet access to contact his wife.
Hindi naman tayo bibigyan ng Diyos ng problema na hindi natin kaya. Kung dumadaan man tayo sa ganyan na pagsubok, kakayanin.
ACT's OFW Party List Representative Ancheto Bertiz says some 11,000 OFWs are affected by the mismanagement of several Saudi companies.
Hanggang sa umabot na nangangalkal sila ng basura sa mga gilid ng mga shopping mall para lang may makain. Nagbebenta ng dugo ang iba.
The Overseas Workers Welfare Administration has so far released almost 105 million pesos to help these stranded OFWs in Saudi Arabia. The government is sending a team to bring them home. Some lawmakers are dismayed at the inaction of the Foreign Affairs Department.
We will make a petition na rebisahin yung pag-appoint sa bagong undersecretary ng Overseas Workers Affairs kasi wala po tayo nadidinig magmula ng pumutok tong crisis na to.
Teresa is now left with no choice but to wait and come up with a new plan with her husband to pick up the pieces of their broken dream. Pia Bonalos, CNN Philippines.
It's